Oh, you're right, guys. Today we are making a painkiller. Not just any old painkiller, a Pusser's painkiller. And there's a bit of lore behind this one. Charles Tobias, he got the rights from the Admiralty to reproduce Pusser's rum back in 1979. Out in Tortola, he's making it. One of the British Virgin Islands is Joss Van Dyke, and on Joss Van Dyke there's a bar called the Soggy Dollar Bar. There's no jetty there, so to get to it you've got to swim off your yacht, and when you get there you've got soggy dollars. Now they made a drink called the Painkiller, and that was made with Crucian rum or Mount Gay rum. Charles Tobias wanted to copy it, so what he did one day, somehow he got a sample back to Tortola, replicated it, went back to the Soggy Dollar Bar the following Sunday, made it, and the patrons there liked it. And he agreed with Daphne, the owner of the Soggy Dollar Bar, that he would take over the name of the Painkiller, but he always credited her with the recipe. A little bit of lore for you. I love that sort of thing. I was out the Caribbean so many times, I'll stick a map up and show you it all. There can't be many islands I didn't go to. I got my Fohere ice maker. It's just made a fresh batch, so I'm gonna get that out of the way for now. And very, very quickly, let's get some of this out of the way. Need to make some juice. Now this is best made with fresh juice. The recipe is quite simple really. 4 parts of pineapple, 1 part of orange, 1 part of coconut cream. I'm using coconut milk because I prefer it a little bit thinner. And 1 part of rum, or 2 parts of rum, or 3 parts, or 4 parts. And this is where it's called a painkiller, 2, 3, or 4, how many parts you got in it. So start off with, I'm gonna do a bit of juicing. This is my old Ninja juicer. Yeah, let's get on with this. As you can tell by all the merch, all the paraphernalia, I have been to the Pusser's Rum Bar quite a few times. I did 5-6 month tours of the Caribbean. So let's start building the drink. We're going to go for a Painkiller 2. So I'm going to do it in a glass so you can see it. Right, cocktail shaker first. Let's have some ice. Right, rum. Like I said, it's got to be Pusser's rum. If you use anything else, well, it won't be a Pusser's painkiller, will it? I'm going to do, like I said, 2 measures. Waste not, want not. 4 measures of pineapple. Now this could be a bit awkward really, couldn't it? Like that there? No. Ooh, a bit messy here, Steve. 1 measure of orange. One measure of coconut. As I said, I'm using milk, not cream for this one. Give it a good mixing. Oh, that's nice and cold ice. So ice in the glass. Oh, look at that. Just right, look at that. Very important bit of garnish, a nutmeg. Freshly grated nutmeg. Oh, I can smell that. So Caribbean. A twist of orange. And last but not least, a cherry. Well, there we are, guys. fair winds. That is just as I remember it in Tortola. Fantastic. I may have to go and buy another pineapple if I carry on like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Something a little bit different. The cocktail stick with the cherry on is very important, because when you're sat in the Pusser's rum bar, what we used to do is this. And put that there, so we knew how many we had. Oh dear me. It's certainly worth a go, this one, guys. A little bit of Navy nostalgia, a little bit of lore, and a lovely drink. I'm going to go and get this lot in the fridge, and I might make a few more. Take care.